Do you ever feel in your life that you run into a brick wall? A brick wall that prevents you from gaining fulfillment and self-awareness? This wall is often composed of misconceptions spread by society, toxic people, or the lack of self-knowledge. Maybe you feel that life is against you, or that you are a loser. It seems to you that all happy people simply luck out. Or maybe you think that all rich people have made money dishonestly. Or you consider those that are cheerful to be silly. You hate your life and you are angry every day. Does it sound familiar? But it doesn't have to be like that. It's not your destiny. Only you and no one else are responsible for the quality of your life. You can create a reality free from toxicity, hate, or judgments. You deserve something better, but remember, you must reach for it. You need to make the most important decision, the decision to make changes. Living consciously and pursuing your own happiness. You have a chance to get rich, fall in love happily, find your dream job, and get everything you desire. It's time to stop getting down on yourself more and more. It's time to fight for yourself. Set off on a journey towards the reality you've always dreamed of. Only you have the power inside you to make changes and control your life. The Power of Spiritual Development is a book for those who want to develop their inner potential and discover the truths no one talks about. Open up to knowledge that will help you to change your life. You will find happiness. Your future happiness depends on your today's choices. Don't waste any more time. Stop wasting your potential. Give yourself a chance.